Environmental problems occur due to various natural and man-made factors. Pollution is a major problem among them. Biotic, physical, chemical characteristics change directly or indirectly due to pollution. There are different types of pollutions like air pollution, water pollution, earth pollution, radiation. Pollution is caused by natural or man-made factors. This type of pollution causes serious diseases like cancer, ulcers, and body tissues may get destroyed. Genetic changes may happen and eyesight may be affected. We have seen that components of the ecosystem play some role and each one's role is important. If the number of any one component reduces, it has adverse effects. Many man-made things affect these components, so conservation of the environment becomes a responsibility for all of us. It is important to conserve the environment so that the natural balance is maintained and man-made problems can be solved. Certain laws are made so that natural resources should not be overused. Jungles should be saved and environment should be conserved. Conservation of Forest Act, Conservation of Environment Act and Conservation of Wildlife Act are some laws made for this purpose. Forest and wildlife is conserved because of these laws. Some species of plants and animals are almost extinct because of human greed. They have been classified as endangered species, rare species, sensitive species, and uncertain species. Species that exist very few in number and special measures are required to be taken to conserve them are called endangered species. Lesser florican, lion-tailed monkey are some examples. Species that are found in certain areas and probability of them getting extinct is more. Such species are called rare species. Musk deer, red panda are some examples. Number of animals in vulnerable species is very less and is reducing rapidly, like striped tiger and lions from Gir are reducing regularly. Sometimes the behavior habits of animal species appear to be the danger, like in case of the giant squirrel. They are called indeterminate species. Biodiversity is the richness of living organisms in nature due to presence of varieties of organisms, ecosystems, and genetic variations within species. The more the number of species, the more is the biodiversity. Weather, rainfall, height of the place are some factors which affect biodiversity. Equatorial region with maximum rainfall has many species from grass to tall trees. In deserts, many species of bushes and shrubs are found, so there is no biodiversity. Biodiversity occurs at three different levels: genetic species and ecosystem diversity. Occurrence of diversity among the organisms of same species is genetic diversity. Many different species of organisms occur in nature. This is called as species diversity. Various regions have different ecosystems and each ecosystem has interacting animals, plants, microbes and abiotic factors. This is called ecosystem diversity. Some forests were conserved in the name of God and were considered to be sacred. It has special protection because it is in the name of God. There are 13,000 such sacred forests in India. Maharashtra has a large number of them. One near Pune in Tamini Ghats is such. 34 highly sensitive biodiversity spots are reported all over the world. Such areas had once occupied 15.7% area of the earth. At present, 86% of the sensitive areas are already destroyed. Presently, only 2.3% area of the earth has been left over with sensitive spots. India is rich in plant diversity and is ninth in the world. There are 10 biogeographical areas. 2 of them are important. There are 45,523 species of plants in India, which is 11.8% of the world. Out of these, 17,500 are flowering plants and 4,950 of them are endangered.